Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing. Started a new roof today in Deltona, Florida. It's coming along great. Let's go check it out. Just finished a roof behind me. It looks great. Let's go check it out. It looks like our guys did a great job. I mean, one of the things that I'm noticing, although the dumpster is still here because we just finished, all the debris and everything that was here is gone. They did a great job at cleaning everything up and put it all in the dumpster. The dumpster driver is on his way. He'll be here momentarily, but the roof looks great. The yard looks great. Very happy with the way this came out. This is a dual gray shingle by IKO. It's their Cambridge line. It's looking really great up on this roof. Clean lines, very happy. This house also had a shed in the backyard, so we went ahead and put the dual gray shingle on there to color match it. That looks great too. All right, finishing up here, everything looks great. All the details look great. The customer's very happy and we're happy. Don't forget to hit the like button. This is Matt with XLR8 Roofing. See you next time.